How you bright, you know?
Come on.
Take the phone bright, so you see clear.
I hear so we did told them, you want to show them how
You
we
just
cut off.
see it, you see everything
Is
what
the
you
video
do.
going?
Look,
The video on it? Yeah, okay. But just put some water on the toes. And then this is all. Cut off the toes easily. It's more economical because you don't waste your meat. Chop all your toes like this. And chop them if you want. This is a quick thing. You scald them at the same time because the water. Anyways, the ligament, like when you're cutting them when they're raw, all the ligament drying out. You don't see the ligament still stay, and the ligament is the best part of it. All the claws are cut off and easily cut off, and less meat. These are the claws. No chicken claw there. All right.
all right.
Nothing. From the first time I come, I see you and see you again. You don't remember me? Oh, you okay, son? Yeah. Remember you took me in the bathroom last year? Get some money and pepper nickels. So ain't go big, Mackenzie? Now for plants. If we got it there and pepper can out now. And that come back? Oh, she closed the door because she can be. You know, because it's so economical because you're halfway, you start cooking, you get more meat, and it clean out better. I like you scald them off when you do them so in the first half. What music with nothing? What music with?
31-3. 31-3. 31-8. We have 0-0-3-2.
Could you wait 5 minutes and it minutes or slow? And the bread? Interesting. See? And the other part, don't stop, but, eh? Yeah, the lady, not your dad. She in the bathroom. It's okay when she come. Look at the door missing up. Small one. Oh, shoot. All right, Mackenzie, turn it off.